Hi, I'm Monica.
And I'm Van Ann. We are doctoral students at Teachers College Columbia and are the co-founders of ReBuild. ReBuild focuses on providing secondary teachers and students with a platform to critically reflect on and disrupt the dominant narratives in our public spaces.
ReBuild provides a platform to modify those spaces to reflect multiple identities and perspectives.
This is how our product works. First, we'd be asked where we'd like to visit, and these places would be in our local area. Today, we're going to Central Park. Here are all the statues in Central Park. Let's say our class is interested in learning about the Christopher Columbus statue in particular. We'd have to enter the class code to join our classmates. We see his statue. And we begin with a series of preliminary questions to gauge our prior knowledge about him and about the statue itself. We might also be asked to compare the statue to others. After the entire class shares what we already know, we can view different perspectives on the statue. We might view different types of sources too. Afterward, we could choose what stories we'd like the statue to tell, and then edit accordingly. Finally, we'd reflect on our entire process and share our versions.
We've received a lot of positive feedback so far from teachers, and a couple have agreed to be on our extended pilot that begins in 2019.
I'm working on ReBuild because I believe that we can leverage mobile and social technologies to intellectually stimulate our youth in civic engagement.
I'm working on ReBuild because I believe in highlighting our agency and telling our stories.